Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the transducer and display are ready. Mount the down imaging transducer on the center line about 1/2 inch below the hull lip, then secure all connectors. Power the unit and verify a stable 12V supply. This prevents noise and dropouts. Once done, power up the Humminbird and allow its sensors to initialize. You need steady GPS lock and sonar initialization before adjusting settings. This avoids misreads and ensures the system will produce clear down imaging returns right away. You now refine the imaging for clarity. Switch to down imaging mode and pick the frequency based on depth, higher KHZ for detail in shallower water, lower for deeper reaches. Next, set range manually, start around 30 to 60 feet, and adjust while watching returns because auto range can lag on structure. Tweak sensitivity until returns are visible without speckle noise, then set beam width and palette for contrast. Once configured, use zoom on suspicious targets and enable stabilization to minimize boat motion blur. You finish by learning what the screen shows and recording findings. Interpret continuous, shadowed returns as structure and short, brighter marks or arcs often as fish, and use zoom plus screenshots to confirm. Save waypoints for productive spots and compare signatures to build familiarity. If image degrades, first check grounding and cable connections. Poor ground or chafed cable causes noise. If problems persist, lower sensitivity slightly, switch frequency, and remount the transducer. That usually resolves common down imaging issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.